Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing what providers will ask for: a government photo ID and a payment method. Once ready, decide quickly whether you want a physical Canadian SIM or a virtual VO IP number. Each has pros and cons for cost and mobility. Next, compare basic plans for $0 to $30 range and pick one. Make sure to note any address requirements for billing. If you lack a Canadian address, plan to use a virtual provider that accepts international billing. You now register an account with the carrier or VO IP app you selected. Enter your personal details, choose a Canadian area code, and upload your photo ID where required. Once submitted, follow the provider's verification flow. This may be instant SMS, a verification call, or a short video check. Complete it promptly to avoid delays. If ordering a physical SIM, confirm shipping to your address and activate it when it arrives. For VO IP, set the device permissions and test inbound SMS. You finish by activating the SIM card or confirming that your VO IP app has assigned a Canadian number. Test by calling or texting another line. If you need your old number moved, request a port from the new provider, unlock your old account, and supply account and PIN details. Porting can take 1-3 business days. If something goes wrong, retrace verification steps, retry the upload, and contact support with the reference ID they gave you. This usually resolves provisioning or porting hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.